everyone, welcome to Kids Magic Drawing. Today I'm drawing shark. Let's draw in color together. Sharks are big and powerful fish that live in the ocean. They have sharp teeth, strong fins and can swim very fast. Sharks have been on Earth for millions of years, even before dinosaurs. Most sharks have a body shaped like torpedo, which helps them move quickly in the water. Sharks breathe through gills and have super senses to find their food. Sharks eat fish and other sea animals. Not all sharks are dangerous. Some are gentle, like the whale shark, which eats only tiny plankton. Sharks help keep the ocean healthy by balancing the food chain. Let's color the shark together. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching.